Did you know that woodpeckers are nature's brains behind the beak? These birds have big brains relative to their body size, which is why they're some of the smartest birds out there. They use their intelligence for a variety of things, such as finding food, avoiding predators, and, most importantly, building their nests. Woodpeckers use tools to help them build their nests. They use their beaks to hold onto a branch, while they use their feet to hammer away at the wood. They also use their wings to keep their balance and their tails to push the chips away from the hole they're remaking. And it takes a lot of intelligence to be able to do all of that. That's why woodpeckers are nature's brains behind the beak. So the next time you hear a woodpecker, take a moment to appreciate the intelligence of these amazing birds.